cannot express what ARC has done for me. And that's even after 2 or 3 years of becoming an expert and already being on CNBC, and what ARC has done for me. There is so much in this world that if you take the time to learn it, it is going to benefit you insanely. We are still in the infancy of what is going to literally evolve and change the world in decades to come. And it's still in its infancy. So I start learning it. I start watching video. I start getting fascinated about what blockchain is and what cryptocurrency is and where this is going to go in the world and why it's going to change the world. And that finally led to me finding a company like you guys, ARC, that is probably hands down one of the best, if not the best, crypto education companies that I've seen out there. And what you taught.
Thank you, Tony, for that. You're going to be on, and I'd like for us to kind of keep this dialogue going throughout, because I want to hear some of your perspective. You now been with the ARC, you've gone through like a portion of our cosmos.